environment for meditation. Those of you who can afford it, it will do a better to have a room for this practice alone. Do not sleep in that room, it must be kept holy. You must not enter that room until you have bath and are perfectly clean in the body and mind. Place flowers in that room always. They are the best surroundings for a yogi. Also pictures that are pleasing, burning incense morning and evening, having no quarreling, no anger, no unholy thought in that room. Only allow those persons to enter that room who are of the same thought as you. Then, gradually, there will be an atmosphere of holiness in that room, so that when you are miserable, sorrowful, doubtful, or your mind is disturbed, the very fact of entering that room will make you calm. This was the idea of temple and the church, and in some temples and churches you will find it even now. But in majority of them the very idea has been lost. The idea is that by keeping the holy vibration, the place becomes clean and clear. Those who cannot afford to have a room can practice anywhere they like.